Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure for me to take you in a continuation of the journey about space in Portugal through the Azores. The European Atlantic centrality is due to our islands, particularly due to the Azores. The new international order showed us that Europe needs to achieve and develop autonomy and resilience in so many areas, in particularly in the space sector. Space is, at the end, diplomacy and a tool to foster cooperation, creating synergies between partners, and Portugal, through the Azores, wants to cooperate with our international partners in the international arena to further develop the new space industry towards an European resilience, fostering innovation and tackling at the same time the big challenges that we have today, like our oceans and biodiversity that we need to take care of. As you saw in the video, nowadays there are several ground segment infrastructures capabilities in the Azores, particularly in Santa Maria Island, where we are partners in Galileo, Copernicus, ISAM, and with private operators. Also in Santa Maria, the RAEC infrastructure, besides the VLBI for geodesy and other instrumentation that supports the activity, there is a telescope for space debris detection, and this not forgetting to mention the National Operations Center for the EU Space Surveillance and Tracking in Terceira Islands. Soon, in Santa Maria, there will be a fully operational space debris detection radar. This journey started in the early 2000s, and now the space sector needs to move to the next step in Santa Maria and in the Azores. The moment now is to leverage the geographical potential of Santa Maria to promote the attraction of new services, new technologies, and new players. This is aligned with the National Space Strategy and with the European Space Programme. Driven by the ESA Space Rider project and due to its long airport runway, Santa Maria will be the access point to and the returning point from space, where beside the Space Rider landing facilities, there will be a space technological center that will include a payload and other payload processing and other support facilities that will also be able to service the operation of high-altitude platform stations, space planes, horizontal launching systems, just as examples, or maybe even we can receive here G-Force One flights, hopefully. Also, for the Space Technological Center, it is intended to have an engine and rockets components test facility. Concerning the access to space, besides the willingness to install a vertical launch spaceport, a suborbital launch challenge, the suborbital UROC, will be prepared by the end of 2023. This strategy is focused on attracting private operators and investors to ensure sustainable business models that can spill positive impacts in our islands. To promote and to act, the government of the Azores welcomes to all companies and investors and is working closely with the Portuguese Space Agency, with the support of the European Space Agency, reaffirming the Atlantic centrality of Europe in the Azores. You can be assured that the success of the Azores space ecosystem will be made by the companies and investors, and you all can count with the support of public entities. Today, you have our commitment to work with all partners, open the Azores to these new opportunities, reinforcing our potential and bringing value to you, to the Azores and our people, and to Portugal, bringing a new era towards the development and expansion of the Azorean space ecosystem. We count on you to follow us on this journey towards the development of Azores, of Portugal, and the new space. A new page and a new future will be written by us, for you, and with you. Thank you very much.